How to create a Taobao account. So if you want to create a Taobao account, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Make sure to install it. Once you've installed, you need to tap and open up the application. And once you open, you can simply go for the bottom right, which will be the me icon, but it will take you to this kind of interface once you open the application. Once it takes you to this kind of interface, you can either enter your mobile number and go for continue, or you can use your Google or your Facebook. So I'll be choosing Google and tap on allow. And here you need to choose the Google account by which you would like to create an account. So I'll be choosing an account. Once you've chosen the account, now you need to tap on continue. By continuing with your Google, Google will share all of the information like name, email address, phone number, and everything to your Taobao account. So once you've chosen Google, you don't need to re-enter all of the information. So simply continue with your Google and your account will be automatically created. So if you're facing any difficulties with the language here, then you just need to simply go with Google or your Facebook, and it's the best and easiest way to create your account. Tap on allow. That's it, your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account in the easiest and the simplest way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.